Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest, in-depth reviews of the most sought-after products in the market. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best wooden Lazy Susan out there, the Lippert International Acacia Wood 18-inch Lazy Susan Kitchen Turntable. Let's spin into the details. Right out of the box, the Lippert International Lazy Susan impresses with its premium build quality. Crafted from durable acacia wood, it features a rich, warm tone with natural wood grain that looks elegant on any surface, be it a kitchen countertop, dining table, or pantry shelf. The Acacia not only adds aesthetic appeal but also offers impressive strength and durability. At 18 inches in diameter and 1.25 inches thick, this Lazy Susan offers a generous amount of space. Whether you're organizing condiments, spices, snacks, or even serving small dishes during dinner parties, there's ample room. Its spacious circular platform allows items to be displayed and accessed conveniently, minimizing clutter and maximizing functionality. One of the best aspects of this turntable is its effortless rotation. The smooth swivel mechanism makes spinning seamless, helping everyone at the table reach their desired items without causing disruption. The rotation is stable, balanced, and completely silent, which is especially helpful during meals or while cooking. This Lazy Susan arrives fully assembled, which is a relief for those who prefer plug-and-play products. However, there's one small detail to be aware of. To prevent damage during shipping, the screw on the bottom is tightly fastened. To ensure smooth turning, you'll need to slightly loosen it upon unboxing. This simple tweak enhances the product's usability and protects it during transit. Lippert International also provides some care instructions. Since the Lazy Susan is made of natural acacia wood, it should never be soaked in water, placed in a dishwasher, or used in the microwave or refrigerator. Instead, wipe it clean with a damp cloth and dry it thoroughly. With occasional care such as applying mineral oil, the wood will retain its beautiful finish and remain a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. This turntable can support up to 50 pounds, which makes it more than capable of holding various kitchen essentials. Despite its strength, the unit itself is relatively lightweight at just under 5 pounds, making it easy to move around when needed. In terms of visual appeal, the Lippert International Lazy Susan effortlessly blends into both rustic and modern kitchen settings. Its timeless wooden finish adds a natural charm to any environment, making it not just a practical solution for organization, but also a subtle style enhancer. To summarize, if you're searching for a Lazy Susan that combines elegant design, generous size, durable craftsmanship, and practical function, this is it. The Lippert International Acacia Wood 18-inch Lazy Susan delivers top-notch performance and aesthetics without requiring assembly or complicated maintenance. It's a great example of form-meeting function. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss another product deep dive. Drop a comment below and tell us what you'd use this Lazy Susan for, or which product you'd like us to review next. See you in the next one.